Hey, good morning, guys. It's Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. Back with another inspirational video. All right, this is going to be a pre-market FIRE update. All right, so always remember that there are risks involved whenever you invest, whenever you trade. So please invest and trade at your own risk. All right, please know that I am not a professionally licensed financial advisor. All right, I'm just a gentleman on YouTube, chronologicalizing my journey. All right, my FIRE journey. Okay, so you guys can see aftermarket, this particular account has been down 10 cent or 0.04%. Yesterday we took a hit of 0.69%. We lost $1.80 on this particular account. The market, we get over to the S&P. All right. The market has been bearish so far. Okay. You can see that we have major wicks at the top, major wick at the bottom. So there has been a fight. All right. We have been obviously bullish at the start of it. And now we're bearish. We'll see where the market wants to go. Looking at the chart, the market is in between 2 points or 2 areas of interest for me, and right now we're hoping that this is just a correction. At the beginning of the year, we did take a major hit in the economy because of the coronavirus. However, things are slowly getting back to normal, if you will, for businesses. So this should just be a manipulated correction. All right. However, we could be in the midst of a crash. Okay. Either way, whether it's a correction or if we're in the midst of a crash, history has taught us that the U.S. economy will always, I don't want to say always, but the U.S. economy has bounced back. We've had the Great Depression. We've had, if I'm not mistaken, the stock market crashed in like the 70s or 80s or something like that. We've had various viruses to break out, various wars to break out, that hindered the U.S. economy from growing. However, we have bounced back. It has bounced back. So this is not a time to panic. This is still a good time to start your FIRE journey. Okay. And I'll go a little bit more in depth with this, but you want to do, you basically want to take on the approach of dollar cost averaging. Okay. Remember, I told you guys the key to my journey, my FIRE journey, is diversification. All right. You've had great minds like Warren Buffett tell us that we must diversify if we truly want to be successful in investing with the stock market. Okay, we want to diversify. All right, and so, and please excuse me if it's loud, but I'm driving on the highway. All right, getting ready to go generate this cash flow. We'll talk about that a little more too, but we must diversify. And in the midst of your diversification, one strategy that you can implement is called dollar cost averaging, where on a set schedule, whether it's every day, every week, every month, every quarter, every year, you take your money that you're going to invest and you spread it out amongst your instruments. All right, so it doesn't matter, like for instance today, if today was my investment day, then no matter how the market is doing, I'm going to put my order in, and come 9:30 I'm going to invest in the market. I'm going to invest in the different instruments, the different stocks that I'm investing in. Okay, and so basically, if let's say company A was trading at $100 yesterday, or it had, let's say it traded at $100 when you first bought into the company, and then it has dropped all the way down to $50. No matter what, you're going to invest in it if you believe in the company, if you believe in the instrument that you're investing in. All right, no matter what, you're going to invest in the company. All right, you're going to spread that out amongst all of the instruments you're investing in. Okay, and so I am implementing the dollar cost average strategy as well as my diversification strategy. I want to encourage you guys to do the same. So again, I really believe that this is a correction in the market. I don't think that it will crash. If it does crash, I don't believe it's going to be because of the coronavirus hype. And when I say hype, I don't mean that I don't want us to not take it serious. But there is a hype around it. If you study the market, you can see that the market has been going up, and let's twist this over to months. You can see that the market has been on a steady incline. All right, and periodically we get pullbacks, we get corrections, and if the corrections are large corrections, we call them crashes, but the market rebounds. All right, so again, I'm a big conspiracy theorist. All right, when it comes to the market, I know it's manipulated. I know they use news. I know that they're heartless. They will release viruses and things of that nature to cover up their agenda to make money. All right, it gives them a reason to pull back. It gives them a reason to crash into lower cost. All right, that's basically all they're doing, is pulling back into lower cost so that they can buy more and increase their wealth later. All right, it's just the name of the game. So again, I want us to take the coronavirus serious. People are dying because of this. However, we know what's really going on. All right. So I said all that to encourage you guys to continue to invest. Doing dollar cost averaging is a smart strategy to implement. Okay. And again, yesterday we took a 0.69% hit. During the extended hours, so far we're at 0.07% loss. All right. So that's on a day-to-day basis. So far for the week, we're up 1.11%, so not a total loss. I just started investing on this particular account on the 28th, so this is the second day. Well, it'll be the third day, but this will be our closing of 48 hours. Yeah, it'll be our closing of 48 hours at 9:30. All right, going into our 72-hour trading period. Okay. So I'm feeling confident. Like I told you guys, I am going to be on a moderately aggressive investing or FIRE journey. Okay, where I will be investing about 30% of my income from this gig that I have. All right, I want you guys to know something. All right, I know we all want the dream of, you know, money coming to us. You know, we're told to make the declaration, money cometh to me now. But if you're not gonna go get the money, all right, it's not gonna come to you. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but it's not gonna just come to you just by you making affirmation. The Word of God tells us in Deuteronomy that it reminds us that God has given us the power to gain wealth. All right, so you got to go out here and get it. All right, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm generating cash flow. I'm generating cash flow to take care of my family now. I'm generating cash flow to take care of my family in the future. I'm generating cash flow to take care of my family when I'm dead and gone. All right, so if you got to get a second job, all right, well, some of us, if you got to get a first job, you're gonna have to get a first job. All right, you can't just sit back and say that you're gonna trade Forex. Okay, where you're gonna get the money from to invest in Forex. All right, because you're gonna get losses. Okay, so you got to get out here, be an adult, generate your cash flow. All right, lower your expenses. If it's not a necessity, you don't do it. All right, cut costs where you can. All right. But anyway, so yeah, feel like I'm kind of rambling on right now, but just wanted to update you guys with this FIRE journey pre-market update. I'll probably try. Now we're at 0.08% deficit. So today may be a bearish day for us, but nonetheless we're gonna keep investing because the market, it will rebound. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for me for right now. It's 7:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm looking at the wrong clock. 7:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the market will open at 9:30. So I'll try to do another video, right before the market opens, and so we can just kind of capture the opening movement of the market. So, all right, guys, I hope this has been an encouragement to you. Again, if you would like the in-depth, if you would like to cut the learning curve dramatically, and if you would like to learn my in-depth strategy on how I plan to become financially independent and retire early, then head over to the teachmetofisheffects.com and sign up. If you'd also like to get my strategy on my profitable Forex trading, then you can head over to the teachmetofisheffects.com and sign up for that as well. I think here soon I will create a combo package And listen, it's all very affordable, guys. I believe that my time is value and I should get paid for my time, but I don't believe that I should, take advantage of people. So I am gonna put a price on my knowledge and my journey that I want to share with you, but it's gonna be very affordable. So I have those two strategies. So we're gonna kind of revamp the website, and I'll have those two strategies plus a combo strategy if you would like to do both. So, all right, guys. As always, I appreciate you guys. If you have not done so, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, dislike the video, comment below. Make sure you comment your cash tag for a chance to win some free money. All right, guys. Please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.